Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today is the day 5 of easy watercolor flower series, and in today's video I'm going to show you the simplest rose. And I know rose is very common when it comes to the loose watercolor, but this is super simple, trust me. So you can start with the red color, and I'm creating a circular shape but having quite a negative space in between. So basically you need to create fine curves to create a circle, and as you are moving towards outward direction, you can keep the curve little bigger in size, and then you can have little thicker curves as well, but try to do this particular step very close to each other. So I'm creating all these lines and patterns and curves, whatever you want to call it, very close to each other, and I don't have any defined definition for doing this. And then I want to make it orange rose, so now I'm using orange color, filling my brush completely with the orange color, and then in one go I'm creating a spiral from inside to outside, and this is going to change the whole definition of my flower, because you're able to see the orange color, but you also have hint of red into it. You also have negative space in between, which is very important, and then you can create more curves towards outside with the help of orange color, and see how beautiful this particular rose is. And more important is, it is so simple to paint. So let's do this particular step one more time so that you can see and understand it clearly. So with the help of red color, with the help of tip of your brush, you can create fine curves in a circular shape, creating a big round shape and circular shape, whatever you want to create. But you can create something like this with the help of red colors. So the color combination is totally up to you, but make sure the two color which you are using goes really well with each other, like red and orange. And then fill your brush completely with orange color. So filling my brush completely, and then from inside to outside in one go, I'm not lifting my brush, I'm creating this spiral shape until the end, and see how beautiful this flower is. I'm in love with these flower because this is easy to paint and very effective as well. Now I have created these two flower, which is fully bloomed flower, you can say, but we are creating a composition, right? We have a composition, so I think we should have some smaller flower as well, like flower bird or half bloomed flower. So for that you can have a circular shape at the top, and then you can have some wider area at the bottom to make it look like this is the side perspective of a half bloomed flower. Likewise, you can create many flowers around it. I want to use similar color, so I'm using red and orange color itself to create smaller flower or flower bird. But if you want to have different color combination altogether for your composition, definitely you can try purple and pink color together. So something like this also you can do. Now I think I'm pretty much done with my flowers. I'm adding a little bit of red around the orange smaller flower that I have, and with the help of green color, now we can create the other element in this particular composition. So for the green color I have mixed yellow color, blue color, and little bit of red as well. So you combine these things together until you satisfied with your green color. So I think I'm pretty much happy with this particular shade, and then you can start creating stems. So you can start creating stems for the smaller flowers that you have, and because these are smaller, so you can have little finer stems for these, and all these flowers are side perspective, so that you can create the green element at the base of the flowers. And you can do the same thing for bigger flowers as well, but our bigger flower is front perspective, so we cannot create sapple for those. but we can definitely create some stems and leaves in between. So let's do the stem. For the two main flowers that we have, you can create little thicker stem this time, and the color combination is totally up to you, right? You can choose whatever green color you like, so no restriction on that part. And the basic agenda for this particular video is to learn how we can paint a simple watercolor flower, which we have already done, and it is quite simple. Trust me, if this is your first time in watercolor, then also you can do it. You just need little practice in the brush stroke. It is all about how much pressure you need to apply into your brush and in which direction you want to move your brush, and if you know this, you can paint anything. Now I am creating a leaf. So one leaf is basically the combination of 3 different leaves into it. So you can create substem, and then around that substem you can create 3 leaves, 2 left and right and 1 in the center at the top. And likewise you can create many group of leaves like these at the stem area. So something like this I did. If you want, you can have leaf in between the flowers as well. So today is the day 5 of this simple watercolor flower series. I have already created 4, which is super simple like today's. So if you want to refer to those videos, I can give you a link into my description section. I would insist you to watch all those videos as well, so you will get an idea like how you can paint other flowers as well. And I'm done with today's video, and I'm hoping this video is easy for you guys. This video is simple to paint, and please do let me know if you have any kind of feedback for me. And thank you so much for watching my videos, and see you all in the next video with one more simple watercolor flower.